Hello, welcome back to another exciting lesson on the trumpet. We're working with page 8, lines 17, 18, and 19. Now to review, when we are starting out our sounds, we need to make sure that we're starting with a ta sound. So we're using the tip of our tongue placed behind the back of our upper teeth against the gum. So we are releasing that sound out of our mouth. So it goes ta, ta, ta. So the first line, line 17, has 4 quarter notes followed by 2 half notes, all on note C. After that, there's a little apostrophe up at the top. Take a moment, look up at the blue box up at the top of the page. Find it. Find out what that means. A breath mark. It's called a breath mark. That means you need to take a nice deep breath to start playing the next note. Okay, starting with line 17, 4 quarter notes on C. Playing through it, and we're going to take a nice big breath whenever we see those breath marks. 1, 2, 3. Now, when I was taking a breath, I didn't take my mouthpiece off of my mouth. I kept it up there. So I started pulling air in on the sides of my mouth, so that way I still kept my mouth exactly on that mouthpiece. That way I didn't move it around at all. Okay, don't forget, always kick out on 1 and 3. Always kick out. If you've got the thumb, awesome, go with the thumb. But always make sure that you're kicking out some way on 1 and 3. Okay, looking at line 18. It is extremely important. Always, always, always count your rests. Silence is just as important as notes. Don't ever ignore them. Okay, so if we're looking at line 18, we count it 1, 2, 3, 4, and that will be 4 beats of sound. Then we will have 1, 2, 3, 4 in the next measure, 4 beats of silence. They are very important. Do not ignore the rests, ever. Okay, looking at 18, playing it with me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Now, if you need to go back and rewind to play that with me, go right ahead. Make sure that you're going back and practicing this. That way it's nice and smooth and you get it out without any problems. Okay, looking at line 19. You have a mixture. You've got some quarter notes and some quarter rests. Don't forget to count the rests. Okay, now, it was easy when it was 1, 2, 3, 4 rests because there was enough time where you could say it out loud. So now you've got to be thinking that counting in your head. You're going Make sure you're counting it in your head. Okay, line 19, nice and easy. Making sure we're using ta to release that sound again. 1, 2, 3. The tricky part is actually the last 3 measures because you're going E, E, D, then you have a rest, a C, and then you have another rest. So make sure that you're practicing that at home, and I'll see you in class.